are going to love the 2020
Jeep Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capabilities. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, stability control, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, four-wheel drive, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.